done a piece of writing, it could be on a poster or a greetings card, and you want to make it look really special. Try scribbling on it. Now don't laugh, watch this. Take a ruler and draw an L shape in the bottom corner of the paper that's about halfway between the edge of the paper and the writing. And then put a dot that's roughly 1 to 2 centimetres from the corner of the L shape, and then join that dot to the ends of the L shape, like that. And it doesn't need to be accurate, but you should try and make it nice and neat. And then do the same in the opposite corner. Do an L shape. This time it'll be a sort of backwards L shape, and again, it doesn't have to be deadly accurate. Place a dot 1 to 2 centimetres from the corner, and join that dot to the of your L shape, like that. And then do the same at the top of your paper, only this time the L shape will need to be upside down, but again make it roughly halfway between the writing and the corner of the paper, and pop a dot in between 1 and 2 centimetres from the corner and join that up. And yes, you've guessed it, the top left hand corner, or the fourth corner, do exactly the same L shape, this time upside down and back to front. Again, doesn't need to be exactly the same size as the others. You should try and get it roughly the same shape. Dot in the corner, join the corners to the edge, and then the good bit. Just fill in these shapes with curly scribble. Now the idea is to just do this curly scribble and keep the curls as tight as you possibly can. Going round and round with your pen, and keep to the inside edges of the lines on your L shape. Just filling the whole thing in with tight, curly scribble. There it is. And do all 4 shapes in the same way, and look at this. It really finishes your writing off professionally. Looks really fancy, doesn't it? Now, if you haven't got a ruler, you could always do exactly the same thing, but do it freehand and do sort of wobbly L shapes. And it has the same effect. Look at that. I'll just do a freehand L upside down there, another one in that corner upside down, a proper L there, albeit a bit freehand, and one facing the other way, there like that. And again, colour it in using curly scribble. It's good stuff, this curly scribble, you know. I used to use this when I was doing football crowd, draw football pictures. I used to do the crowd like this. Just looks like loads of heads, doesn't it? Just keeping to the edges. And now what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to use 2 colours. So a 2-colour curly scribble effect. This time I'm using that sort of really garish lime green. Oh, look at these 2 colours together, lime green and orange. It's enough to give anyone an heart attack, isn't it, eh? Look at that. And it goes. And again, you do all 4 shapes in exactly the same way, and it really finishes it off with a nice, fancy flourish. Good effect, isn't it? And it's all based on filling L shapes with curly scribble. And you can use it for lots of things. You can use it to really finish off some poems or maybe an essay. Or you could use it to finish off posters. It really borders posters well. Or what about this? I've done sort of square-shaped L shape to finish off a greeting card. Try it yourself. Scribble borders.
What a nifty way of turning paper into something great. With nothing but scribbles, it can make things look really special. See what I mean? Really special.